Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can enable or disable the on-screen keyboard on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So on-screen keyboard, this is one of the effective ways if our keyboard is not working on our Windows. Then we can use the on-screen keyboard as a substitute of our keyboard which is not working. Now, how can we enable this? So let's start with enabling it first, then after, how to disable it. So click on the start button, then click on settings, or you can just simply search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on this. On the left pane in the list of options, look for accessibility. Then scroll down and you will find keyboard that's under interaction, sticky, filter, and toggle keys, on-screen keyboard. Now you have here on-screen keyboard access keys and print screen. So on-screen keyboard, press the Windows logo key, Control plus O. You can also do this by pressing the Windows key plus Control plus O to turn on the on-screen keyboard, or then just simply switch this button on. Now, if you switch the button on, then the on-screen keyboard will appear on your Windows. Now, let's close this window. Then if we are going to access, let's say for example, we're going to search for settings in the Windows search bar, we can just simply use the on-screen keyboard. If you want to delete that, you have this backspace key or delete key. Then you also have the Windows key. This is just your keyboard, but this is the on-screen keyboard. Now, this is how we can enable it, or you can just simply search for on-screen keyboard on your Windows, and once you click on it, this will automatically enable the on-screen keyboard on your Windows. You can also adjust its size if you want to make it larger, like this. Or if you want to make it a small one so that it cannot occupy space, then just simply do that. Then, so this is how we can enable. Now, how about if you want to disable it? Then you have this close button. Just simply click on this X button. Or you can just simply click on the start button and then go to settings. On the left pane, click on accessibility again. Scroll down and click on keyboard. Then on-screen keyboard, if this is switched on, then you just have to simply switch this off. And then on-screen keyboard will be disabled from your Windows. So on-screen keyboard, that is a substitute keyboard. If your keyboard for your Windows is not working, then you can just simply use the on-screen keyboard. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.